Hmm. What's the matter, Lori? Hmm? Are you scared? Does anybody know how long that this cough lasts that you get when you get the coronavirus? I think I'm scaring my dog. Sorry. Let me get my flashlight. I don't know where it went. And my dog. She's scared. She's like, what the heck are you doing? There. You can't. Kitty? 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 What are you doing in my room? Kitty? Hmm? You wanna steal some food? Hmm? Nope. No one can see you, kitty. Kitty? Kitty? You wanna eat? Huh? Kitty? Kitty? Kitty's leaving. Maybe not. Call my doctor. I think I'm sick. And they said, well, we'll give you an appointment via internet FaceTime. But they aren't seeing people in person. So she gave me some, not too bad. She gave me some cough medicine, but it's in a pill form. I've never had cough medicine in a pill form. Has anybody ever had the doctor give them some cough medicine in a pill form? We usually get liquid in a bottle. Shh. Don't bark. It's too loud. Too loud. Laurie, what are you doing? Laurie? Laurie? What are you doing, honey? We'll have some tea. Wanna have some tea? Everybody, have a good night. And take good care of yourself.